Stop paying for OpenAI API calls, instead run LLM models like DeepSeek, Llama, Mistral for free to use it inside your anytime workflows. First of all, go to ollama.com and download this in your system. What is Ollama? It is an open source platform to running and managing large language models or LLMs locally in your computer. Once you have downloaded Ollama, open terminal inside your Mac. If you are using Windows, just open PowerShell or command line, it will work just the same. First of all, we need to download Llama 3. So simply type Ollama run Llama 3. It will allow you to run Llama 3 inside a computer locally. Once it is installed, you can normally chat inside your terminal asking questions like what is the capital of India, and as you can see, it will give you the right answer. It is just like a normal conversation inside ChatGPT, but this time you are running it locally inside your terminal. Then if you want to use another model like Mistral, simply run Ollama pull Mistral and it will download this model inside your system. Then we also want to avoid this monthly subscription of N10, so we are going to self-host our N10 instance locally. So first of all, make sure that you have Nodejs download inside your system from here. Then open new terminal and use this command npm install -c N10, which means that you are downloading N10 globally to use it forever for free. It will take few minutes to download, but once it is done, it will give you this localhost link for a free N10 account. So sign up with that. After that, go to credentials to set up our Ollama account. Search for Ollama and you will get this base URL already, so you don't have to configure anything. Just click on save and make sure that everything is successful. Then let's create an AI agent to chat with our Ollama chat model. So just type in AI agent, and for chat model, we are going to use Ollama chat model instead of paying for OpenAI API calls. Just make sure that your Ollama connection is successful and you can select any model that you have installed inside your terminal. In this example, we have installed Llama 3.2, and now you can chat with your local hosted LLM as many times as you want for free without paying any single API calls to OpenAI Anthropic. For example, I'm just asking simple question to our Ollama chat model and it is giving perfect answers as you would normally get inside OpenAI API calls. So that's how you can run any open source LLM models inside your N10 workflows. And if you want a full video guide, just comment video and I will send you straight away inside your DMs.